Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this beach lounge chair that I got a few days ago. We are going on a beach trip really soon and we needed a chair that is big enough for us to spread out, but also can collapse down and, be kind of small so we can fit it in the car. And we found this one. I was doing a little bit of research. My husband was also doing a little bit of research and we came across this chair. A lot of people were saying really good things, and yeah, I am actually excited to open this up and show you guys in the video with me. So as you can see right here, they give you instructions on how to open the chair the right way of doing it, so you don't have any accidents when laying on it. They give you some warnings right here as well, so make sure you read all of the instructions before putting the chair together. So as you guys saw, it was very easy to put this chair together. It barely weighs anything, very light. And it also comes with this handle on the side, so you can take the chair anywhere with you. Very easy to carry it if you need it. Right here on the top you have these holes. That's where you can rest your arms. And on the top you have the option to lift this on, which is like a little cushion for you to lay your head on, or if you want to face down, the chair has this little hole right here with cushions around it, so you can put your face in here and tan your back. I think this is actually very smart. That's why I wanted to get this chair, because I don't know, I feel like it's a struggle when you're trying to tan your back in a regular lounge chair. So pretty cool design. I really like it. The quality is very good. I like the material. It is a thick type of fabric, but it's also, for what they said, it's very easy to dry if you are sitting or laying on it wet after being at the beach or even a pool. You can also lift this up. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, so you can change the angle as well. You don't have to just lay down with it. You can also sit up, and I think you can do one more. Yep, right there. When you hear the click, that's when it's locking in place and you can use it. Pretty cool chair. It's gonna be so useful to use this at the beach, and like I said, it's very compact, so we'll be able to fit this pretty much anywhere. So yeah, I highly recommend it. The quality of the fabric is amazing. The material, they said that it's really good to use. It dries very fast if you're using it wet after coming out of the beach or pool. I'll come back in the future with an update to tell you guys what we think of it after using it for a while. But so far, I think this is a great invention. Pretty cool to have this chair around.